Guys, this video is how to get this boombox in the moon update. So let me just put this back in, and then I'll get started. So first, you're gonna want to go up here to the rocket. Okay, then you boona beam, bada boom. And you're gonna get flashbang. Yeah, and then you're gonna be dark for some spawn. So, yeah. So, you wanna go in here. I'll put my grappler over here. I don't remember right now. You're gonna wanna follow my steps. So this ramp, go up, like that. And then, this is how you get the little bomb things, like right there. And here's how you leave. And I might have forgot. It's somewhere. So just go by the rocket and just go up here. Just not in here, but I think I know where to. Yep. So I missed it, but. So right at this ramp, you break here, and you got yourself the AC boombox. And you can play some good music. Yeah, so I'm going to jam my way back to Robbie, and hope you guys got a good day with a brand new boombox.